Stefan, thanks so much for being with us today. Really excited to have this chat. This is all about customer success and how you approach that at BCD. One of the things that's phenomenal is you've been the most admired TMC 13 times, and I think it's 9 consecutive now,
Yep.
which is truly remarkable. What's the secret of that success?
Yeah, that's a good question. In principle, I shouldn't share it because others will copy that. You know how that works in this industry. But the success is really something that BCD is admired for. And these are the people in combination with outstanding technology that we're investing in since we have been created by our founder, JVV, as we call him. And this technology has evolved over many, many years. It's a combination as well of our technology with the GDS technology, but it's powered by our people. And that makes us at BCD so special.
Wonderful. I think one of the elements that often is talked about is customer centricity. Mm-hmm. And I think maybe that underpins a lot of that notion of the people with the technology is really being aware of your customer needs and how you serve those on a daily basis. Can you think of an example of where that's maybe shined through the brightest?
Yeah, I think the weather situation just recently in the US have shown again how centric our people are for our customers. So we had to call in so many agents during this weekend in the US, and not only in the US because we're a global company, so we call in people for doing extra service around the world. So, and the people are so passionate to get our customers from A to B, even under these very, very different weather conditions. And we had people that were up 24 hours just for their colleagues and for our travelers.
Wow.
To service them. And that is outstanding if you then get messages from your customers and saying, wow, BCD has gone again the extra mile. Your people were there for us during the time when systems were not working, airplanes couldn't take up. So, but your people were there. So that's special. That's what BCD is all about.
Absolutely. And increasingly, it's underpinned by the technology proposition, as you were saying.
Yeah, absolutely. I think having those people is something for us that is special, but we combine it with innovative technology. That's what everybody is asking us. And some in the industry believe we, being so long in the industry, like, for example, a Sabre being so long in the industry, we can't be innovative anymore, which is totally wrong. There are so many companies that are longer in this industry or in other industries, and they are so well known for innovation. So technology is key for us. It's driving what BCD is known for. But again, it's the people that make us so different.
Yeah, you make such a great point. And how you blend the enterprise scalability and what you do on a global basis, gives you the license to innovate, right? And bring those two things together. And that's a really powerful combination.
Yeah, that's the secret in this industry. It has been in the past and it will be in the future. Many try to copy that. And you have heard me saying very often, there is a difference between real gold and fool's gold.
Right.
And that means a lot for us because we really believe, being so long in the industry, having experience and know what our customers want, having strong partnerships like the one with Sabre and with other industry players, that makes us very strong. And that doesn't stop us for being the innovator in this industry.
Yeah, absolutely. So maybe shifting gears a little bit to the future, right? And we talk about the travel landscape evolving and, there are times when we're criticized for being a slow moving industry, but it feels like the pace of change is increasing. And so as an organization and in your seat, how do you, like the notion of kind of skating to where the puck is going, right? What are the things that are around the corner that you may not see, but how are you positioning the organization to kind of future-proof the business and future-proof it for the benefit of your clients?
Right. So I think what several misunderstand is that being long in this industry means that we don't move fast or don't want to move fast.
Right.
And if we would have not done that in the past years, working with our partners together to change this industry and to innovate, then we would not be where we are today. So we put a lot of investments into the future for technology. Let it be AI, let it be connections, let it be content that we want to get together with you seamlessly for our customers. So not doing that would mean we will accept not being relevant for this industry. So, and we hear that very often, that only new players can be fast and innovative. I think we have solutions built on our own, built with our partners like Sabre and others as well, that have made the change. We are sometimes not that noisy about that. We should talk more about that and really present that like others do as well. That has never been our way of working, but you will see this will change with our new brand, our new energy we bring into the market. That will come, and we will not only innovate, but we will talk about that as well.
So I'll allow you to maybe puff your chest out a little bit right now. So can you think of a recent win or a customer satisfaction kind of example that resonates right now, that it kind of underpins that proposition?
Yeah, I think I can share the recent win, which makes us extremely proud because it has shown our capability in the marine business, which is extremely important, and the energy sector, which is very important. And on top of that, it is the innovative technology and open platform, which is called TripSource. And that enabled us to win a customer which has growth potential, that is super innovative in itself. And who is the chosen one? It's BCD Travel.
Wow.
So what else can I say makes a CEO proud?
Yeah, congratulations. That's a phenomenal story.
Yes.
So you actually touched on an element there. You referenced the openness. And we actually talk a lot at Sabre about, closed networks and closed systems versus open for business, open by design, I think is actually maybe a tagline you guys are using now. But open marketplaces and the value of those. How do you see that being critical to your strategy?
Yeah. So we believe that it is the wrong way to have all the thousands of customers that we're servicing and that are still out there and not serviced by us, boxed in one solution. And if you listen and carefully study other industries, you will find out that what customers want are choices. And that is the principle at BCD with our open platform, with our marketplace, where we connect other suppliers with BCD and the great service that we deliver, where we really give customer choices. Now, can that be with unlimits? No, that is not right. But we have given so many choices, and we will continue to work that way to get attractive for so many different customers and give them the solutions they want for their travelers. That's all what matters. So, and with that, we are special in this industry, and you need to be special that people see you as the leader in this industry.
Right. It sounds compelling to me, right? You have the open modularity and mentality, great people, underpinned by great tech. Seems like a winning formula.
Absolutely. So we are on a winning track. We are extremely proud where we are as a family-owned company, being rock solid and being innovative at the same time and being open for new technology.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate the time.
Welcome. Thank you very much.